Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back. In part 2, we will walk through how to make oyakodon step by step, from preparing the ingredients to serving a warm bowl over steamed rice. Because it was quick to prepare and used affordable ingredients, oyakodon became a go-to meal for busy workers and students. You could walk into a small shop, order a bowl, and have a hot, balanced meal in minutes. That same spirit lives on today in home kitchens, where oyakodon is still a fix-it-fast comfort dish after a long day. How to make Japanese oyakodon at home. Step by step. Key oyakodon ingredients and easy substitutions. To make a simple oyakodon recipe at home, you need chicken thighs, eggs, onion, soy sauce, mirin, sake, sugar, dashi or chicken broth, and cooked white rice. Chicken thighs stay juicy and tender even if you cook them a bit longer, so they are the most common choice. You can use chicken breast if you prefer, just cook it a little less so it does not dry out. If you do not have dashi, use a light chicken broth. If you are missing mirin or sake, use more broth plus a bit of sugar and a splash of mild vinegar to mimic the gentle sweetness. Any yellow or sweet onion works well. Prep steps. Rice, chicken, and sauce for oyakodon. Oyakodon comes together very fast once you start cooking, so it helps to have your rice ready first. For fluffy rice, rinse it in cold water several times until the water runs clearer, then cook with the right amount of water. Let it rest after cooking so the steam evens out the texture. Cut the chicken into small bite-sized pieces. Smaller pieces cook faster and stay tender in the sauce. Slice the onion thin with half-moon slices so it softens quickly and turns sweet. In a small bowl or measuring cup, mix the sauce ingredients, including soy sauce, mirin, sake, dashi or broth, and a little sugar. Tasting a small spoonful at this stage helps you adjust the salt or sweetness before cooking. Cooking oyakodon. From simmered chicken to silky egg. Start by adding the sliced onion and the sauce to a small skillet or shallow pan. Bring it to a gentle simmer over medium heat and cook until the onion softens and turns slightly translucent. Add the chicken pieces to the pan, spreading them in single layer. Simmer in the sauce until the chicken is just cooked through. Keep the heat gentle so the sauce does not boil hard or reduce too fast. Lightly beat the eggs in a bowl. You do not want them fully smooth. A few streaks of white and yolk give a nicer texture. Pour the eggs over the chicken and onions in a slow spiral, covering most of the surface. Cover the pan and cook on low heat until the eggs are just set but still soft and slightly jiggly. If you like firmer eggs, cook a bit longer. The key is low heat, which keeps the eggs tender instead of tough or rubbery. Serving tips. How to build the perfect oyakodon bowl. Fill a deep bowl with hot steamed rice, packing it lightly so it stays fluffy. Slide a spatula under the chicken and egg mixture and gently lift it on top of the rice, keeping the soft eggs together as much as possible. Top your oyakodon with sliced green onions for freshness. You can add shredded nori for a light sea flavor, or a pinch of shichimi togarashi for a small kick of heat. For one large bowl, plan on about 1 cup of cooked rice, 1 chicken thigh, and 2 eggs, then adjust as needed. Oyakodon proves that simple ingredients can create deeply comforting food. With a few easy steps, you can enjoy this classic Japanese rice bowl at home. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.